Now let's be real, hitting your 50s can feel like you're stepping into a whole new world, right? It's that moment where you realise things are different. But what if I told you this is where you truly get to shine? Now stick with me, because today I'm sharing how to own your midlife with confidence, grace and a whole lot of power. Now you see, for many of us, confidence can fade in midlife. So let's talk about what's really going on inside our head. You see, midlife hits and suddenly you're questioning everything. Am I still valuable? Why am I feeling invisible? What's left for me now? It's like all the voices around us and even inside us start saying, well, maybe you're too old for this, girl. Or you missed that bus, so forget it, because it's too late to change. I get it. When you've spent your years wearing so many hats, raising kids, working, taking care of everyone else, it's easy to forget who you are. In the process, self-doubt creeps in, and confidence, well, sometimes it feels like it walked right out of the front door and forgot to come back. But here's the thing, it didn't leave. It's still there, it's hiding. And midlife, well, this, my friend, is your chance to dig it out, dust it off and really show the world what you were made of. Here's a mindset shift that many of us need to make. You're not fading, you're evolving. You've lived, you've learned, you've gained wisdom that your younger you could only have dreamed of. And that experience, that's your superpower. Think about it. How many times have you been through tough seasons and come out stronger? Those wrinkles, those aren't signs of aging, they're badges of honour. They show the life you've lived, the love you've given and the wisdom you've earned. You're in your prime right now with a perfect blend of wisdom and power. So next time that voice in your head tells you it's too late, you answer it back, oh no it's not, because I'm just getting started. So how do you boost your confidence in midlife? Because let's be honest, it's not about pretending everything's perfect. Truly, it's about building yourself up from the inside out. So I'd like to share my secret sauce. Yep, I'm spilling the beans and I'm offering you 6 confident boosters that have helped me, and I hope they'll change things around for you too. So first off, morning mirror affirmations. Now this sounds simple, but it's powerful. You know, every morning look yourself in the mirror and tell yourself one thing you love about who you are now. Not who you were, not who you think you should be, but who you are right now. And you know, it might feel a bit awkward at first, but trust me, it works. Saying things like, I'm healthy, I am happy, I am worthy, I am evolving, rewires your brain, and over time, your inner dialogue starts to shift from self-doubt to self-love. And of course, small wins. You know, every day aim for one small win. Maybe it's getting that workout in, organising a party at your house, or just sticking to a new habit for a day. Those small wins stack up, and the more wins you have, the more your confidence grows. And you'll start to see yourself differently, one step at a time. You gotta ditch perfectionism and embrace progress, because this one a lot of us struggle with, thinking that we need to be perfect to be happy, worthy or loved. But girl, perfection is a lie and it stems from fear. Progress is where it counts. When you stop expecting perfection, you start celebrating the progress, no matter how small. You'll feel like a huge weight has been lifted off your shoulders. You don't need to be perfect. I'm not, I've got bunions. You just need to keep showing up for you. And of course, movement is so powerful. You know, exercise isn't just about staying fit, it's about power. Even a 10 to 15 minute walk every day shifts your mood, clears your mind and boosts your self-esteem. Feeling your body in motion reminds you of your strength. After all, movement is life, and it helps you to connect with your body in ways that boost confidence. I've grown to love doing something every day, especially strength training. And of course, connect with your people. Don't underestimate the power of connection. Surround yourself with fun people who lift you up, who get where you are in life, and who remind you of your value. Call a friend, meet someone for coffee, join a community where you feel seen and heard. Honestly, when you're around positive energy, it lifts you up, and that, my friends, is contagious. Celebrate you every day. Here's a habit that I love at the end of each day, to reflect on one thing I'm proud of. You know, maybe you got through a tough conversation. Maybe you tried to do something new. Maybe you showed yourself kindness when it was hard. Whatever it is, celebrate it. You're evolving, you're growing, and you deserve to celebrate that. Now, one of the biggest lessons I've learned is that the key to owning midlife is to embrace it with a little grace, a lot of humour, and a ton of power. Honestly, you can't take everything too seriously. You know, we've all had those moments where we walk into a room and forget why you're there. So instead of beating yourself up over it, why not laugh about it and own it? Because here's the secret: confidence isn't about having it all together. It's about owning who you are, flaws and all. And here's the last thing, I promise. Don't ever be afraid of facing new things in life. I know midlife and beyond can feel like a whirlwind of change, and sometimes it's easier to stay in your comfort zones, to cling to what's familiar. But here's the truth: stepping into something new, even when it feels scary or uncertain, is how we grow, and it's how we evolve. This stage of life isn't about fading into the background or shrinking ourselves to fit someone else's idea of who we should be. It's about owning every part of who we are, stepping into the unknown with your head high, shoulders back, and saying, I got this. You know, every new chapter, every new challenge is an opportunity to rewrite your story. So don't hold back. Go for it. Show up for yourself with courage and grace, and with the unshakable belief that no matter what life throws your way, you have the power to take it on and thrive. Now, if you're enjoying these videos and want to keep building your confidence, don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell so you never miss a new video, and give this one a thumbs up if it's resonated with you. Oh, and don't forget to check out my previous videos, which are packed with more empowering insights to help you embrace this incredible phase of life. Now, before I go, I've got something special for you. Head over to my website, I'll put the link below, and grab your free gifts. I've got a guided sleep meditation to help you wind down at the end of the day, a grief recovery ebook with 61 tips to help you navigate loss, and a 4-week addiction journal to keep you focused, motivated, and connected to your journey. And these are all there to help you to thrive, not just survive. And you know, I'd love to hear from you, so please drop a comment below and tell me, what's one thing you're doing to boost your confidence right now? Or maybe share something you're struggling with, because trust me, you're not alone. This community is all about supporting each other through these midlife transitions, and your story could inspire someone else who needs to hear it. And remember, confidence is built daily, not something you find, it's something you create. So go out there, own your 50s, 60s and beyond with grace, humour and power, because you've got this.